Okay. So, Louis, are you going to use base 4 or base 2, hon?
Base 4.
Okay, so 4 to the x, that stays. So 4 to the what, Louis, is 64. Good. So we have the same bases. Power to the power. What do you want to do, Chloe, for power to the power? Yep, multiplying. So 4 to the x equals, when we distribute, make sure you distribute to both. So that's 4 to the 3x minus 15. Drop your bases. Once you drop your bases, Stacy, what do you have left? Yes, what are they? Good. How do you solve for x from here, Jonah? What do you move? Sure. Let's move the 3x, so that way I only have to move it once, right? So, x take away 3x is what, Sam?
2x.
I think you meant to say negative 2x. Yeah. Then, what do you want to do next, please, Saxon?
You want to divide the negative 2 to the negative 15.
Good. Final answer. This one goes to, what do we have left, Wyatt?
15 over 2.
Perfect. And leave it as a simplest fraction form is fine. Okay. Not bad at all. Example 9. 4 to the x equals 24. Can we break that down to the same common base? Yeah? 2? Okay, let's try 2. 2 squares 4. That works, right? 2 to the third is what? 8. 2 to the fourth is? 16 to the fifth? 32. I just bypassed 24. All right. Then no. What do you do when you cannot find common base? Logarithmic form. Hit it with a log. All right. How do you hit it with a log? What do you write?
Log
You swing.
Log base 4 of 24.
24 equals
That's right. It's the x immediately isolated.
Yes.
Now you have to bust out your calculator. Okay. Kelly, how are you going to punch this in your calculator using the change of base? Log what, Kelly? If I were to say punch in your calculator, what would you be typing in? Log, I can't hear you because I'm really old. Log. Consult your team, and then come back to me with the final decision.
Or it can't be just log
Matt, how do you punch in your calculator? Log 24. Do you guys agree with Matt?
Yes.
Yes. Punch it in, round it to 2 decimal places. This person, and this goes to Bella, whenever you're ready. 2.29. Someone confirm? C. All right. 2.29. Box it up. You're on your own for number 10. 1 minute, get a head start in 10. If you have an answer already, then turn to a shoulder partner and compare.
That's 17.
I'm going to shuffle your card and give me your final answer, okay?
I got one point for a second.
I got 1.54. Did you do 7 and 20?
2 decimal places now.
And log 20 divided by.
Yeah, I did the same thing.
I got 1. Your calculator's weird. Whoa. Your calculator's broken. You might have a calculator.
How do you do it on the calculator?
What? Go back and practice number 9 for me, Saxon.
I can't do it. That's what I'm saying.
Find the button log for me, please. Good. Look at how it's written in red right here on my screen. Log what? Good. Close up the parentheses. Good.
Is it supposed to be in degree or radian?
Oh, that doesn't matter for log. Log has no importance on degrees.
Because I entered the same formula and I got
Show me.
different
Show me.
answers.
You have to close up your parentheses, honey. Because it's log 24, close. Perfect. By the way, shh, anybody else is having a problem with the calculator? I can come around and help you. Okay. Final answer. Maurice, what is it? Maurice said I use my calculator and you said 1.54? Confirm? Okay. Example 11. Ooh. Okay. Example 11. Ready? 3 plus 7 to the power x minus 2 equals to 59. What do you think you should do first? Subtract the 3 over. Very good. Okay. So, Justine's not here. So, 59, Matt, take away 3 would give you what? Thank you. Can I convert that into the same base?
No.
No. So, guess what you have to do?
Logarithm.
Hit it with log. All right. Can you please tell me what to write in log form, Ben?
Log.
Base of close. Help him out. 56 equals. Thank you, sir. All right, now we have to use a calculator for the left side. Killy, how would you enter that in your calculator for the left side?
I would do log 7 over log 6.
Do you agree with Killy? No.
6 over log 7.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Equals x minus 2. Punch it in your calculator. Round to 2 decimal places, please. Quinn, give me the 2 decimal places when you are ready. 2.07 equals x minus 2.
I got 06.
Oh, 06?
I know, but mine's 2.0593.
Well,
you did it wrong.
0.5? Then that's not been 7.
No. He's wrong. Yeah, I got 2.0686.
Let me see your calculator.
2.07.
Are you making this decimal? 'Cause that's... You have log 55. We do not have log 55, honey.
Idiot.
What? Leave it up to the guys, don't worry.
Alright. Shh. Alright. Hey, it happens. It's Friday, right, guys? Alright, y'all. Final answer. Add 2 to both sides. Jaden. Final answer is... Beautiful, Jaden. Way to go. Okay. This may be our last notes of the day. We'll see. Skylar, what do you think we should do first for example 12?
Subtract 2
Great.
from both sides.
Perfect. Alan, 523. Take away 2.
521.
Thank you. Okay. Now, what do you think, Alicia, we should do next? Remember, we need to isolate the what, y'all? Yes, divide both sides by 100. Okay. Okay, now, yes, sir.
So that doesn't turn into an exponent?
No, the 100 is not raised to any exponents.
So that rule doesn't apply.
Because remember, the quantity is only around the 3. So only the 3 is being raised, not the whole 100. Okay, 3.
Alright. Jason, I'll see you at the mountains.
No, I'm counting. I'll just say it's okay. It's just the best.
3 to the what power?
3 to the x minus 4 power.
Equals. Now, in this, normally I don't want you guys to round to the very, very end. But in this case, 521 divided by 100, it's a perfect decimal. So what is that decimal? 5.21. can you break that into a common base? No. So Valerie, what would you do next to solve for your x? Good. Can you give it to me? Good. Then from here, Josh, what would you like to do on our next step? Add the 4 to both sides. You can technically do that. Would you guys agree?
Yeah.
But if you were to punch it in, what would that be, by the way? Log over. How would you solve this piece using your calculator? Log of 5.21 divided by? Good. Guys, do the log first, because remember, your calculator comes with the parentheses right away. So you got to close those parentheses, get an answer, then add 4 to both sides. Okay? Now, I'm going to shuffle your card. Punch it in. Punch it in. I'm just looking for the log 5.21, okay? Divide by log of 3. So what did you come up with, Saxon?
I got 1.50.
1.51. Can someone confirm that?
No, I said 5.
I'm sorry, what?
Oh.
Oh, sorry. That was my fault. That was me being old. Okay. Plus 4 equals x. So final answer is? 5.50. Beautiful. Box it up. Now,